It's not bad here. It's half rain, half snow now. We only got a couple inches, but we're only a couple miles from the coast. It must be hell inland. Come on! Let's go! Come on! I don't know where my dogs went. I don't want to put them on a leash because they might pull me down if they try to run and I slip. So I let them run free right now. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. But it's not too bad here, but I don't know what the news is going to say inland. Electric was out for 6 hours. It just came back on about 10 minutes ago. It's about 11:45 in the morning right now. They won't bother you. Come on. They won't bother you.
I know. Come check us out.
All right. Well, some branches over here. But that's not bad. At least the tree's not down. Come on, let's go. I told my wife she was going to shovel this. She has a two-wheel drive car. I told her it's going to be hell shoveling it. They plowed it. Just take the truck and go back and forth and flatten it out. And you won't get stuck. So that's what she's doing. Reba, come here. Reba, come. So she drove back and forth over this about 20 times. I don't know where she's going now. All right. Charge. Here she comes. Turn the windshield wipers off. Just got the windshield wipers. Really won't matter much because we're at a dead end street over here. Well, you got about as flat as a pancake. How much more are you going to flatten? All right, park the truck on the side. And you can park here. Or park here and then park the truck up there. Huh? Yeah, back your car up over here. And then pull my truck up over there. Whatever you want to do. Well, thank God for four-wheel drive.